Watch how I pull up in the scene. Chasing dreams faster than a Rory. Tied up pulling strings.
Hey, what is good, everybody? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, I am back, guys. I know it's been a while. It's been like 2 weeks since I actually done a video. Your boy has just been, honestly, he's just been a little bit lazy and groggy and just hasn't been in the best of moods because of this whole Rona shit. Honestly, I've just been really lazy, been kicking my butt about it. Not only that, I've been working on music now. If you guys haven't known, go check out my new single, Pull Up in the Scene. It is on Spotify, SoundCloud, Apple Music, Google Music, and all platforms. But this is not what this video is about. This video is about another life cop, baby. I'm back at it. We're gonna be back making money moves and everything. So you already know what the deal is. Just join the rage with me. Your boy's about to really be cooking with these bricks as usual, because I'm the brick king and nobody can take that away from me. So I'm just happy to be back. It's been a while since I've done this type of video. Eventually I will be putting out more videos, more than just live cops. I want to get back to doing sneakers and everything, so that's where I originally started from, so why not just go back to what I used to do. So, and before we get started into this video, make sure you guys go bump a like on the video for the comeback kid. Also subscribe to me for the content that I put out, ring the bell whenever I do come out with the content, and also follow me on Twitter and IG, nice with 2 E's _ Mike as usual, and just give it a big follow and just be like, yo, what's up? I heard you're the brick king, let me cop the bricks with you. So, and also I'd like to thank my sponsor for this video, Resell Plus. If you guys do not know what Resell Plus is, it's a cook group that they have just made. It's a cook group for all beginners and experts alike. What you guys can actually do is just put in code Mike and you get the first month for free to join this cook group in Discord. You get really good support, one-on-one support with everybody. Everybody's super cool. You get fast responses if you have any questions. This cook group has like restock monitors as always for everything: Supreme, Nike, Adidas, Easy Supply, whatever the case may be. They have guides for every job of what's going to be reselling the highest, what's not going to be reselling, all the jazz. It's really in depth. It's pretty dope. They always do giveaways too, like I think every week. So, and not only that, you can sign up to get text notifications, so you don't have to go on Discord itself. They will send you a text if anything restocks, if anything is coming out within that Discord group. You get notified by text, SMS, which is, I think, is actually pretty dope. So I don't see why not joining. And also they do have bot rentals in that too. They have Phantom, they have Cyber, etc, etc. So you can also rent bots if you're really trying to really cook it up in the group. I'm a manual boy, but if you're a bot boy, this place is really dope for you. They have really good bots, they have all the support, they have everything. So go ahead and join them. Follow them on Instagram as well, and make sure you guys go use the code Mike to join 1 month for free. I would highly recommend doing that. It is US and EU exclusive, so nobody feels left out. So yeah, you guys will be set to go as soon as you join in. Code Mike, 1 month for free, and go join them. So what I'm basically going to be going for is not a whole lot, to be honest. I'm probably just going to go for some tees, the beanie, and the lawn chair. The lawn chair I really want because I think it's pretty cool. A lot of people have been ordering lawn chairs for whatever reason at my work, so I was like, I feel like I could flip it really quick for a good price. And for that, I would recommend quick flipping it. I would not recommend holding it because I feel like it will go down in the value like within a year or whatever. So what I'm going for today is the Daniel Johnston t-shirt, Daniel Johnston beanie, and then a lawn chair. That's the three I'm really going for. I do like the rayon. The rayon actually looks pretty cool, and I do also like the plaid shirt, but with that kind of price range right now, I don't think it's gonna be worth. And I don't think these are gonna resell super high because not a lot of people know about Daniel Johnston and the backstory behind what he did and everything. So in all honesty, I don't really think these items are going to resell very high, but probably just like decent resell. I don't want to say it's lunch money, but it probably is because not a lot of people know about it. I really like the lawn chair too. It's only $78, so your boy's of course going to try and acquire that. It's not that expensive, so we shall see. All right guys, we got a minute left till this drop happens. I'm really I'm not nervous, but I'm just like, it's been a while. It's been 2 weeks, guys, so your boy might be out of practice a little bit. So I'm looking at accessories and I'm looking at t-shirts right now. I should go on hats most likely. I don't have hats up right now. Go and view all. hats, and it's 8 o'clock. I already fucked up. Let's go for black. The launch area is sold out. Oh god, guys, this is going kind of slow. Alright, fuck it. Oh, okay, it's in there, it's in there. Oh my god, this is going so slow already. Oh. So that's how it wants to play today. That's how it wants to play today, for real. Supreme, this is what you're gonna do? This is what you're gonna do? Really? After 2 weeks? After 2 weeks of me trying to not cook, you're gonna do this to me right now? Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking Supreme, dude. I swear to god, bro. I'm gonna get... Oops. I forgot to put add card. Oh my god.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, the t-shirt's already gone. Fuck me. I can't even check out. What the fuck? Yo, I can't even check out, bro. That's how bad it is right now. I can't check out, guys. Oh my god, the chair's gone. Oh. Y'all, we're not cooking. We're not cooking at all right now. Alright, it's fucking black. Yeah, it's GG's for that chair already. Because there's just no way right now. The west side's doing poop right now. Westside is absolutely doing bad right now. And my Discord's blowing the fuck up. Shut up. Nothing's selling out, so I'm just as lost as you guys right now. We're gonna go for a large. There we go.
Bruh.
Oh my god, the t-shirt is just fucking me right now, dude. I'm gonna go for this color. Bro, this site's absolutely horrible. Holy shit, bro. Just let me cook, please. Let me cook. Bro, it's not adding to cart. Oh my god. Fuck it. We're single carting, guys, because there's just no way. Oh my god. I fucking hate this website, dude. With the fiery passion. Now it's not processing my payment. This is absolutely horrible. This is what you get for fucking buying Supreme, y'all. This is what you absolutely fucking get. And it's barely processing my payment. All the smalls are gone. Processing.
Bruh.
Yeah, it's taking a while. Bro, this processing payment is so slow right now. Bro, what is that? What the fuck is that? Y'all. What the fuck is this shit? Well, I got the beanie. Alright, cool. That took fucking forever. Nothing's adding to the cart, guys. Nothing's adding to the cart. I can't, I'm pressing it so many times. How bad is this fucking website? It made me get a medium, didn't it? No. Oh my god. Bro, it keeps making me get a medium. I don't want a medium. Fuck it, we're going for extra large. Bro, it only lets me get a medium. What the fuck? Bro, this is trolling people. This website's absolutely horrible. It's absolutely horrible. Yeah, I'm not going for the launcher. It's GG's, to be honest, for that. Yeah, I'm clicking hella times for you guys. It's not going in. I'm telling you, this website is so fucking horrible. So, okay, they finally fucking refreshed the shit. Only mediums are left. Just copy medium, fuck it. Wait, can't be the launcher too? I should have fucking proxies for this shit, bro. This website's horrible. Oops, didn't want to do that. Alright, we're gonna process that. We're actually single carding items that I shouldn't even be single carding. Like, what the actual fuck, bro? This website's just so bad. It's so horrible. It makes me want to puke. It's saying that it's sold out. I probably believe it, to be honest. As soon as that website was downloading, it was GG's. It was over. It was over. There was no way I was gonna be able to cop. These are some interesting shirts. Holy shit. The frog one definitely would be the one that I would actually wear. The others, I'm not sure. They're really weird designs. Really? Is that medium sold out? Oh my god. Hold on. I know that's not gonna sell out, so. All the tees are sold out? Are you actually for real? Oh my god. Oh my god. The frog tee sold out. I'm livid. I'm actually livid. I'll have a navy. Guys, we're copying bricks. Like usual, you know, your boy's back at it copying bricks, because you already know I'm the brick king. That's what we fun to be doing. Kind of upset. We checked those both out, of course, because, you know, we only cop bricks, baby. So we got a large Daniel Johnston tee and a medium one, navy, black and navy. The other one was pretty easy because it's a weird design. The other one is really hard because it's a really good design, and it only let me get a navy medium. So honestly, brick sizes, these are probably the worst possible outcomes you can go for. These are not going to resell probably at all. So I'm most likely going to be holding on to these items in the long term. Probably later in the summer I'll let them go for like my other tees. But man, today was just not, it was just not the move. Yo, it was just horrible. Like, these aren't even selling out. Like, god damn it, these are just horrible. These are all bricks, bro. Frog tee is pretty much the only one that has potential, but other than the others, yeah, they're bricks. You're not getting anything. They sold out. Yep, it's GG's, guys. I pretty much failed this fucking live cop. I got the beanie, which is good. That's a success. But the others, it's unfortunately it's the worst possible outcome that can happen. So I don't know about grabbing these ones. I probably should grab some other tees. Probably like a pink this one. The pink's pretty dope. I got larges. Large pink, that'd be pretty cool, but I think I'm out. I think I'm chilling, to be honest. I got these, so I think I'm chilling. So that's pretty much all I'm copying. I caught 3 things. I caught the beanie and some 2 tees. Did not acquire the launch here, unfortunately, because the website is just poo-poo garbanzo beanies, and I'm not going to be able to acquire that because of the time that I was given and how slow the website was. So I just immediately just gave up because there's just no way I was going to be able to cop. And I didn't even know it came in a quantity of 2, so you can actually buy 2 of these, which is actually pretty cool. So if you were to get a launch area, that's a quick sell, not a hold. Just saying. But thank you guys for watching. I know this has been a kind of a crappy live cop, but at the same time, at least midway interesting, because I did cop 3 items, so not too bad. But they're all bricks, so it doesn't really matter of me like acquiring these items. I would like to have one for the personal. Honestly, the medium navy I might have for personal, depending on the situation and how much they go for. If they break, then I'm probably gonna end up just keeping it, and if they do midway okay, I'll probably let it go. But mainly going to be holding them in the long term later in the summer. I have other tees as well, the chrome tee, and I have the bridge tee, so I'm going to probably hold these tees as well if I don't know what to do with it. Also, thank you Resale Plus for sponsoring this video. Like I said before, use code Mike to enter into this Discord cook group. It is free if you use code Mike for 1 month. 1 month you get for free, so I would definitely look into that. It's a dope cook group. It just started out. They have all these monitors, they have everything. Make sure you guys go check them out. And that being said, your boy is out. Peace.
Yeah, watch how I pull up in the scene. Chasing dreams faster than a Rory. Tied up pulling strings and making enemies.